When driving a Jeep, you never know where the road may lead you, but you always need to be prepared. That's why this trailer hitch for the Jeep Gladiator from CURT is great for hauling that extra gear. This newly designed hitch from CURT is perfect for pulling small trailers, campers, or even a bike rack. This is a Class 3 hitch, meaning that it is rated at 7,500 pounds gross trailer weight and 750 pounds at the tongue. These hitches are made just for select Jeep Gladiators, so you know they're a perfect fit. Just like all CURT products, you can expect high quality. The hitch is protected from water, rain, mud, and more by a rust-resistant liquid A-coat, both inside and out. And look at this hitch. That high-gloss black powder coat is beautiful. The 2-inch receiver is a standard size and will work with any 2-inch ball mount, step, or other accessory from CURT. And when you aren't pulling a trailer, they have even made the receiver open in the back for easy cleaning to help remove any mud or debris that gets stuck. And the best part is, the hitch is made in the USA. If you're interested in purchasing this trailer hitch from CURT for your Jeep Gladiator or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.